Hi y'all, welcome back to Ukulele Wine Time. My name is Kathryn. Welcome to the weekly warm-up. All right, so we're gonna try a new warm-up each week. And in my private lessons with my students, the first thing we do when we get into the room together is we just play some music together. And it could be my piano students, we just play all white keys on the piano, or maybe we play all black keys. With my ukulele students, we'll pick two different chords and we'll just jam. So there's a very small set of parameters in which you get to let go and be creative. And this is something I do with my patrons. Every meetup, we start with a little warm-up, and usually it has something to do with the song that we're working on. For example, we just learned Kiss Me by Sixpence None the Richer over in our monthly Patreon meetup, and we took two chords from the song and put that into our warm-up. So I wanted to bring the weekly warm-up here to my YouTube channel so you could try it out also. We're gonna start simple. We're just gonna go from a C chord to an A minor chord. And those are our only parameters. All right, we're gonna play each one for 4 beats. And you could do whatever you want strumming wise on those beats, and we're just gonna jam together. All right, so our chord progression we're jamming on, C to A minor, 4 beats each. I'm gonna set my timer for 2 minutes, and this is just a free play jam. Ready? Let's do it. I'll count us in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thanks for jamming with me. I hope you had fun. And remember, this is an exercise you can always come back to, try out different things, different strumming patterns and ideas you're working on. And I hope to play again with you soon. All right, cheers. Ukulele wine time.